Cyprian of Carthage, also known as Caecilius Cyprianus, was a Christian bishop and martyr who lived in the 3rd century CE. He was born in Carthage, a city in modern-day Tunisia, and was likely raised in a wealthy and educated family. Cyprian received a thorough education in classical literature, rhetoric, and philosophy, and he became fluent in both Latin and Greek. Cyprian converted to Christianity in his mid-30s, and he quickly became known for his eloquent preaching and his passion for the Christian faith. He was ordained as a presbyter, or pastor, in the Church of Carthage, and he became known for his powerful and persuasive sermons. Cyprian's sermons were widely circulated and greatly influential, and they are considered to be some of the finest examples of Christian preaching in the early Church. In 248 CE, Cyprian was ordained as the Bishop of Carthage, and he quickly became known for his bold and uncompromising stand against corruption and injustice. He was a vocal critic of the extravagance of the wealthy and the powerful, and he was known for his efforts to reform the Church and promote spiritual growth among its members. Despite his many accomplishments, Cyprian faced opposition and persecution throughout his ministry. He was exiled from Carthage twice, and he ultimately died in exile in 258 CE. Despite his suffering, Cyprian remained faithful to the end and is remembered as a steadfast and courageous leader in the Church. His writings and sermons continue to be studied and revered by Christians today, and he is honored as a saint in the Eastern Orthodox, Roman Catholic, and Protestant traditions.